Welcome to Keetha's vlog. Yeah, this is Keetha. So yes, we are going to start.
Just dropped in to tell you guys that this vlog is chaotic a lot. And am I proud of it? No. But this is my first time going out with my friends, and we actually enjoyed a lot. So, yeah, this vlog is not only the day but a week before that day. I hope you guys enjoy, and yeah.
I saw both of your own vlogs, bro.
धन्यवाद.
Hello, Anubhav here.
I hope I get home before it starts raining. Cutie number 1, cutie number 2, cutie number 3 and 4. All of them are stray dogs. And I'm just sitting here chilling. And I don't know what to do right now. I'm just sitting here. Actually, I was sitting inside, but I was feeling really hot. So I've come outside. I was actually sitting inside, but I came outside because it is hot inside. So I'm at the university right now where my mom is, because she had to submit some files, folders, shit. And she brought me with me, and I actually couldn't go to class today because of that. I don't know if I'm gonna ever cover it up or not. We'll see, because I actually stay extra to clear up the days I was not doing too great. Let's see. And today we had chemistry too. I am very bad at chemistry. I don't know. Let's see. I hope my friend explains me, but we never know. Yeah. It's raining so beautifully outside, and I am here doing work. Yeah, like I'm writing there, and there is files and books. It is the second day of rain. I hope when I go out with my friends tomorrow it doesn't rain. Oh, lightning. I don't know. I'm walking to where my friends are. I am just way too excited to meet them after a very long time, like 2 months, 3 months, I don't know. Yeah, probably 2 to 3 months, something. Yeah, I'll talk to you when I get there. Bye. I'm not even here, baby. Okay, कैसे मनाते हैं? अरे बाजू हे नाही आईस्क्रीम तर दाखवा यार.
किती सुंदर आहे पण.
हा हा किती मजा आली आज.
We enjoy it like we never did.
we never did. we enjoy only for ourselves while troubling others.
Facts. I really don't know what to say that. We do it the best way.
दाखव 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 दाखव. कर ए हे बघ ना, हे कसलं क्यूट आहे. जिक्रा सगळ्या क्यूट क्यूट गोष्टी आहेत तिथं. फ्लशी हे बनीज आहेत का ते? ओ माय गॉड. स्क्वॅशमॅलन
इकडे घ्या व्हिडिओ.
पैसे सारे
हे बघ.
The neck pillows are
हे
everything.
पैसे सारखे.
अच्छा, any similarity? I don't know.
Every similarity.
Every similarity.
Please follow her. Subscribe. Like her videos.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. तुमचे हात कधी सुटतात की नाही?
ते